Okay, this is going to be a video explaining the culture day assignments, and I'll explain the first one first. So you're going to get a choice of what you can do for the culture assignment. So go into options for culture assignments. All right, and you're going to choose one of these options below. There's a Nearpod, a culture reading, or research countries. So what you're going to do for the Nearpod, you have this Nearpod here, and you'll need to fill out this exit slip on Canvas as you go through the Nearpod. Okay, so you click on this, that'll take you into the Nearpod. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and it says make a copy. So I'm making a copy. Okay, and that will go into my Google Drive. Okay, and then I go into the Nearpod, and it might take a second for it to launch. Here we go. Here's my lesson. Yay! Lesson. Okay, exploring Brazil. So I need to, looking at my Nearpod exit slip, I'm going to need to do a photo analysis. So I'm going to look at two pictures and write observations and inferences. And observations, what you see, and inferences, a guess based on what you see. So for example, I see huge buildings. This is a picture of a major city. So I click on this. Okay, so I'm going to go into the Nearpod. Let's skip that. Okay, we're going to experience Brazil up close. We're going to get started. Okay. Oh, well, then I'll have to do this activity. Right. Oh, okay, I have to do a drawing. Do my drawing. Let's see. Draw a tree. Okay, what else do I think of about with Brazil? Okay, submit. We'll pretend I drew more, guys. And then virtual field trip. Here comes the pictures. Okay, ooh, cool. Okay, I'm going to write down. So I'm going to pick out 3 things that I see, in here, and I can enter the VR as well. So I'm going to pick, do an observation and inference, and then I'll go on to the next picture, do an observation and inference. Then I just need to keep in mind, what did I learn while completing this Nearpod? And then what are the similarities and differences between this country and the United States? Okay, and then you need to complete all the activities for this. Okay. All right. And if you don't finish this in one class period, Nearpod does save where you're at. All right. So then you can finish it the next day. And then when you get done, you'll go to back into your modules, and you're going to submit your assignment where it says American Cultures Assignment. So you'll come in here, and then to submit it, you'll need to attach it from your Google Drive. All right, so that is it for the first one.